What's up, everybody? This is Mr. Metters, and I will be going over instructional pages talking about the comparing numbers. So, right here we have a problem. In the problem, there you have two numbers, two four-digit numbers to find out which team had more points. You can also compare numbers to make a decision, such as the size of a package to buy. Sometimes the numbers you're comparing have the same number of digits. So, like, they go out to the same place. So, like, these two numbers, these two boxes of staples, they both go out to the thousands place. You compare place by place, starting with the greatest place value position until you can tell which number is greater. What that means is you start with the very highest place. So these two numbers, you have the thousands place. And if they're the same, then you go to the next highest place. So the next highest place is the hundreds place. This number has a 2, this number has a 5. So if one number has 500s, the other has 200s, since 500s is greater than 200s, that means 1,500 is greater. Sometimes the numbers you are comparing don't have the same number of digits. So in this case, this one goes out to the hundreds place, this one goes out to the thousands. So 1,402, 985. Explain how to find which number. Oh, so in this situation, you start with the thousands place. Well, this number doesn't have 1,000, so that means that this number is greater, 1,400. So it says explain how to find which number is less, 2,400, 2,300. Well, first we compare the digits place by place, thousands place, thousands place. Both numbers have the same thousand digit, which is a 2. You need to compare the hundreds place. When we look here, we have a 400, we have a 300. So that means that 2,300 is less and 2,400 is greater. All right, read the problem below. Then explore different ways to compare digit numbers, multi-digit numbers. There were 23,643 football fans at the football game last week and 23,987 fans at the football game this week. Which game had fewer fans? Line them up. There's 2 in the 10,000s. There's 3 in the thousands. There's a 6 and a 9 in the hundreds. That means that this number is greater, 23,987. When the numbers are in a place value chart, it's easy to look down at the columns and compare the digits. Start with the greatest place value and go across. The 10,000 digits are the same. The thousands digits are the same. The hundreds digits are different. So you compare these digits in the hundreds place. So if we were to model that by breaking them in expanded form, that's what this would look like. And when you get here, this is where you can see the difference. So then we just compare those numbers, 900 greater than 600. All right, so it says write the two numbers, and 23,643, 23,987. So they line up by place value. Explain how they line up. So if we look at this, let's shrink this down a little bit. So we have 23,000, 23,000, 600, 900. All right, so there's the difference right there. When you line up 23,643 and 23,987, they differ in the hundreds place. Are they different? Well, 600 is less than 900. So 23,987 is greater. Boom. In what place value position do you begin comparing? So we just said that in this one up here. We compare them in the hundreds place. So let's get another text box right here. Start comparing in the hundreds place. Okay. What is the first place in which the numbers are different? They are different in the hundreds. For the third time now, hundreds place. Explain how comparing numbers, then write a comparison using greater than or less than. So I've already explained that up above. So if I was going to write a comparison, we have 23,643 is less than 23,987. Because the 9 in the hundreds place is bigger than the 6. All right, there are 2 baby macaw parrots at a zoo. Zeke has a mass of 1,582 grams, and Teo has a mass of 819 grams. Which bird has a greater mass? Use greater than, less than, or equal to. So if I look at these, I start with the greatest place value. You have a thousandths place. So if I've got 1,582, then my other number, it doesn't have a thousandths place. So what you need to understand is if there's nothing there, you can write a 0 to hold that place. The thousandths place has a 0 in it. 0 means nothing. So I can write that if I want to, but I don't have to. So if this number has 1 and this number has a 0 in the thousandths place, it's pretty easy to know which one is bigger. This number 1,582 is greater than 819. Okay, so if I look down here, same thing. There is nothing in the hundred thousandths place. So I can write a 0. Remember, 0 is nothing. If I tell you to give me 0 gummy bears, you still gave me 0 gummy bears. So you can put the 0 there. It means nothing. You don't have to. There's nothing there, and this one has 9 in it. So that means 908,043 is greater. All right, guys. Well, there is a quick check after this. I think comparing numbers is pretty simple. You just have to start with the biggest place value and work your way across. Sometimes they do like to trick you, though, at the end. Make sure you do your quick check and get your ribbon on Study Island. All right, guys. Good luck. Peace out.